are we doing?
Today we're out here at the lot and we're on the 110. Me and Hunter are going to be playing bike. We're playing bike. The rules of bike are it's just like a
Horse.
what is it? Yeah, horse and basketball. You do a trick or whatever. You do a trick and then the other person has to match it, and if they don't match it, then they get a letter, and the first one to get bike loses.
Woo! Our concrete playground.
I don't want to like do stuff that I know you can't do, but like that's kind of the point.
So Skylar's gonna go first. What are you gonna do for your first trick?
I'm just gonna wheelie and chuck a one-hander. Hoagie!
Does that count?
I'll let you try again.
Oh my god.
Hoagie can't hit the one-handers for his wife. That's a B for you.
Dude, that was fucking ass. I'm gonna throw a no-hander, just like real quick.
Alright, he's doing a no-hander. I haven't even tried it yet.
Alright, Skylar's about to try the no-hander. Okay, so I guess the rule that we're changing it, what is it? What's the rule we're supposed to play by?
So, say Hunter just did the no-hander and then I did it. So, since he succeeded in his trick and then I did too, then he gets to try another trick. And then until he fails his trick, then he's just gonna keep going.
All right, I'm gonna just be riding normal, hop to the seat, pop it up, and ride it for 3 blocks.
3 of these. That line to that line is 1 block. You did it? We're gonna have to rewatch that footage. I didn't check it. True. Barely missed it.
That's a B. So I'm gonna pop it up in second, put my foot down, and then ride 3 circles, 3 full circles.
I know that arm pump's coming in. There it is.
Alright, Skylar's doing it. That's 2. Does he make the 3rd? Woo! I know. 3. Woo! I'm gonna pop it up in second and then tune a little bit.
Alright. About to get that wrist game on point.
Alright, the fuck? That's a speech impediment, huh? We realize that it's kind of boring and we're not fucking up enough and the game's gonna last way too long, so we're just gonna fuck around now.
Oh, sheesh. Oh, shit. He's revving that hoagie out. Zai! Zai! God damn!
Get it. Wheelie to jump in the seat stander. Oh. Ooh, that was a close call, huh? That guy over there is like, what the fuck is going on with this tiny bike and these big kids?
The big kids on blue.
On red.
Sitting in the phantom, count money in the sun. Everybody in my hood on the way. Made it out the trenches, leave 10 million for my son. They said it's a difference, it feel different how I come. Put it on my soul. I could put it on my soul. We be going to the awards and I ain't putting on my pole. That new Virgil and Dio, Capital, I got it on.